In this video, I'm going to show you why right now is the best time to upgrade your PlayStation 5 with an M.2 SSD expansion. Because recently I decided to do the unthinkable. I purchased the fastest, most powerful, and also what was the most expensive PlayStation 5 compatible SSD. This is the Seagate Firecuda 530, and of all the SSDs that's compatible with the PS5, this one is by far the most sought after on the market. You can play any PS5 game directly from this SSD, and it'll give you a lot more additional storage space for both PS4 and PS5 games. Now, in previous videos, I've mentioned that my biggest drawback to ever purchasing this SSD has been the price. But the good news is that since then, the price of this particular SSD has dropped significantly. In fact, it's so low that you can now get the 1TB with heatsink bundle for almost the same price as the Sprint Rocket 4 Plus, which has been highly regarded as one of the most affordable M.2 SSDs for PS5. What this means is that the fastest SSD that you can get for PS5 is now just as affordable as the budget options. So it makes sense that at such a discounted price, I had to pick one up and try it for myself. Now, one thing that I do like about this particular SSD is that the heatsink is already pre-attached from the factory, which means that if this is the first time installing an SSD to your PS5, the process will be much easier. The first thing you need to do is remove the side cover and access the SSD expansion bay. If it's your first time doing this, it can be a bit difficult, but just use a little bit of extra arm strength and it should come right off. Next, we're going to remove the expansion bay cover, as well as the mounting screw and the spacer. Then we're going to set the spacer to the correct size of the Firecuda 530 and then carefully install the SSD into the terminal. You want to approach the connector at an angle and lift slightly upwards so it goes right in. Make sure the SSD is parallel with the terminal and touching the spacer, then screw it down. Also, do not forget to reattach the expansion bay cover. Lastly, we're going to attach the console cover back to the PS5 as well as the stand. And now that the installation is complete, we're going to power on the PS5 and run through the initial setup. As you can see, the read and write speeds of the Firecuda 530 are indeed insanely quick, which means our PS5 is going to download and run games much faster. We also now have a full extra terabyte of storage space for additional PlayStation 5 games. So again, if you're someone who's been waiting for PS5 compatible SSDs to finally come down in price, your wait might finally be over. You can check the link in the description box below to purchase the Seagate Firecuda 530 from Amazon. If you purchase using the link, it will help support the channel, so thank you in advance. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Boys.